We're here at the Oasis skate park, and as you can see, Curtis has just fell off this corner here. It's wet in the UK. It's horrible. He's on my skateboard right now. This Hubbard is really rusty. Yeah, this is really bad. So yeah, get back to you. What are you doing first? Over the spine, go on, over the spine, clean. Yo! Yo! Oh! Unlucky, man. Alright, go on, do what you gotta do on the spine, come on. What you just trying, man? Wasn't it feeble you were trying? Yeah, feeble, now do it on the spine. Oh, wait, was that feeble and then on the other side? Yo, it's just raining, guys. It's absolutely raining. Why? It's raining! Didn't even get the tricks I wanted to get. I've been working hard on the rails, guys, over there, and I can't even bloody do them because it's raining. Oh, this is not good. We're gonna have to come up with another plan. And he's fell off again.
It's raining now, doesn't it?
Right, let's go. Alright, guys, we are outside, and yeah, it's kind of stopped raining, but it's not completely dry, so we might just go to a trampoline park or something. We're not too sure yet, but we're just gonna keep going, I suppose. Wait, find out. Oh. Close.
Keep with what we're calling.
Close.
Oh, how's my bolt?
Where?
Took a nice little hit with one bolt. Took a nice little hit with that. 360 off.
Close.
I'm going to a wheelie.
Yeah, you
I
are.
don't want that.
Go on. Yo!
That's it.
360 flat.
Oh, 360.
You were close. He got it, but by the way, off camera, he did actually get it.
Yeah, ow. Stop it.
Yo.
That is 360, isn't it?
Yeah, but
We'll try to do it again.
Come on then.
I think I need more speed.
Yeah, go on then. Maybe jump higher as well.
Need more forks by the end of this.
Right, where are we?
We're ATV.
We're ATV. Focus. Alright, let's get some clips. Buy new grip tape anyway.
Just gotta get this off.
Gotta get the grip off first.
Look at that.
Taking and use grip. Grip is all done. I did it for Curtis. Done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This was our first webisode and we were asked to do one. I said we were working on one. We've been working on one, getting it all planned up and everything. So hope you enjoy. Don't forget to leave a like. If you want another one, you know, like it, you know, comment, all that stuff. And we'll quite happily do another one. It was great fun, actually. So yeah, see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, as we say, the camera is always rolling. Goodbye.